Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm with my friend Emilio here, and we're gonna do a cool photo shoot of his supercars. And that's gonna be a great opportunity. We're gonna have the Ferrari Pista in the middle, and then we're gonna have the Lamborghini Performante, and then we're gonna have the GT3 RS Porsche next to it. So that's gonna be super cool for pics, and hopefully we'll take some video of that too. So yeah, we just came back from Cars and Coffee, and it's a beautiful Saturday. It's pretty cold, but it's great for some nice pictures. So let's see how that goes. All right, first off, the Lamborghini Huracan Performante. Let's check it out. All right guys, now the GT3 RS. Let's check it out. Yeah, that's gonna be awesome. All right guys, Ferrari 488 Pista now. Oh man, I think these pictures are gonna be awesome. at this collection of cars, man. This is a dream garage. Once in a lifetime opportunity. All right, let's get the Lambo. Yeah. Um, so the photo shoot went great. It was a lot of fun. A little bit sunny for my taste for taking pictures. The sun was really shining today, but I'm gonna put the pictures now on Photoshop and see if I can edit some of that. But I use my Nikon C7 with a 24-70 lens, which is great for car photography. And I hope they will come out great. I'm gonna put them together in a little montage and show it to you now. I think particularly the Ferrari Pista with that bright blue Dino looks incredible in the sun, and the Porsche, the 911, it's unbelievable. So and obviously the Performante, it looks, the three cars together is like a dream come true to have in one garage. So very lucky owner, and very lucky that I'm allowed to go in and take some pictures and have some fun. So gonna leave you now with a bit of a slideshow, and hope you subscribe, and I'll see you around again soon. Take care.